Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sana, and today we are going to talk about basic English speaking for beginners. This topic is especially for those who want to speak English but feel nervous or confused.
Hi everyone, I'm Rayhan. You're right, Sana. Many beginners understand English a little, but when it comes to speaking, they feel stuck. Today, we'll make English speaking simple and easy for you.
Exactly. Speaking English is not about using difficult words. It's about using simple sentences with confidence.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, beginners will feel more confident about speaking English in daily life.
Start with simple English.
Rayhan, beginners often ask, where should I start?
The best place to start is simple English. Use short sentences like hello, how are you, and I'm fine.
Yes, even one-line sentences are enough in the beginning.
For example, you can say, my name is Rayhan, or I am a student.
Don't try to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly.
Think in English, basic level.
One big problem beginners face is thinking in their native language first.
That's true. Try to think in English, even if it's very basic.
For example, when you wake up, think, I am awake, or it's morning.
When you are hungry, think, I am hungry.
This habit helps your brain get comfortable with English.
Daily life speaking practice.
Let's talk about daily life speaking practice.
At home, use English sentences like, I need water, I'm feeling tired, or what's for dinner?
Even if people around you don't speak English, you can practice alone.
Yes, speak to yourself in English. It really works.
Basic conversation sentences.
Beginners should learn basic conversation sentences.
Like, what are you doing?
And the answer could be, I'm studying, or I'm resting.
If you don't understand something, say, I don't understand, or please explain again.
These sentences help you communicate without fear.
Yes, no, and short answers.
Beginners don't need long answers.
Yes, short answers are okay.
For example, are you busy? Yes, I am. Are you coming? No, I'm not.
This builds confidence step by step. Expressing feelings in simple English.
Sana, expressing feelings is important.
Absolutely. Beginners can say, I'm happy, or I'm sad, or I'm tired.
Also, I'm excited and I'm worried.
These sentences help you express yourself clearly. English for beginners at work or school.
Basic English is also useful at work or school.
Yes, you can say, I need help, or can you help me?
In class, you can say, may I come in?
Or, I have a question.
These are very useful sentences.
Common mistakes beginners make.
Sana, beginners often make small mistakes.
That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning.
Don't worry too much about grammar in the beginning.
Focus on speaking, not perfection.
For example, say, I go market first, then slowly improve to I am going to the market.
Daily practice routine.
Let's share a simple daily practice routine.
Practice English for 10 to 15 minutes daily.
Speak English sentences aloud.
Speak in front of a mirror.
Listen to simple English videos.
And repeat what you hear.
Practice together, beginner level.
Let's practice some basic sentences together.
Repeat after us. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. My name is Rayhan.
I want to learn English.
Practice these sentences every day.
Motivation for beginners.
Sana, many beginners lose confidence.
Yes, but remember, everyone starts from zero.
Don't compare yourself with others.
Small progress every day is success.
Believe in yourself.
Real-life example.
Sana, I remember when I started speaking English.
Really? How was it?
I was afraid of mistakes, but daily practice helped me.
That's inspiring for beginners. Ending. To sum up, basic English speaking is all about simple sentences, daily practice, and confidence.
Don't wait for perfection. Start speaking today.
Make English part of your daily life.
That's all for today's episode.
Keep practicing and keep learning English.
See you in the next episode.